Hey everybody, my name is HardDuckMan and welcome to Pacific. There's zero details in the description of this game of what this is about. All I know is that it's a spooky room. Awesome. Let's play. WASD and E to enter. Press enter, okay. Holy shit. That looks... Everything scares me in horror games. I really don't like how close the shadows are. Like something could be so close to you and you don't know. That is terrible. That is terrible. I'm just gonna keep walking. Do I press enter? How do I I closed it. I closed the game. Oh my god. Time to start it again. Alright, well, I'm back. Here I am. Here I am. Somehow Oh, it was just E. I swear to god I pressed E. Oh, I hear something. Hey. You... Oh, I don't like that. I'm just gonna keep walking. What the fuck is that? A tape? Tape. Ooh, great. You know you can do with tape. You can tape stuff. Wrong. What's this music? What kind of funky freak place am I in? The kind of funky freak show... There's nothing down here. Where do I go? There's nothing down here. I go back. Go all the way back here. Maybe close the door. Maybe turn around. Oh, a whole new area opened up. Oh, this is great. What's in here? Oh, it's a locked. It's a locked. Okay. What the whole... Everything's changing. I don't think this is a normal room. Let's play the tape. What's going on? Is this like a detective type thing?
The spectacular success of the operation burdens our hopes of peace. For it seems that by the possession of such deadly weapons, peace can be maintained in this troubled world.
Okay, what kind of weapons we talking? I mean, the logo for this game was like an atomic symbol, so I wouldn't be surprised if it was nuclear warfare. Am I gonna see some death claws, some rad roaches? Survival under atomic attack! Yes, how do I survive under atomic attack? Do you mind telling me? Oh, do I just... What do I do? Yes. What about... I shut the door. I didn't like that I did that. How do I open it back up? Great. Great. Oh, it's a lot deeper again. Why is it so deep? I hate that. I don't like a lot of this. Ooh, this is a tight corridor. Tight little corridor. What the hell is going on? Oh, get away from the window. What's going on out there? Nothing good. Is that radiation? Is he gonna make me turn into some super gamer? Wait a minute, let me back. I want the super gamer radiation. No, I don't.
Barren, unfertile rocks where no man lives. Buffeted by winds blowing in from the ocean. This was the place chosen to explode Britain's first atomic weapon.
Huh? Oh, was I in the blast range of their little bombs? That's not good, isn't it? That's not good. Oh. You just gonna take away my tape recorder like that? Yeah, thanks. Yep. Okay. You're a real guy. Okay. You're just taking away all my corridors. Okay. You think you're funny. You really think you're funny. Okay. Alright. You think you're the funniest guy ever. I'll shut the door. I'll stay in here. Don't mind me. Oh, it goes on. Dude, this is so trippy. This is so trippy. God, there's nothing down here. Okay, close the door. We got another tape. No, we don't. We just got a chair. The chair's flipping out. Chair, calm down. Calm down, chair. Chair. Oh! What's going on, chair? Chair, go forward. Chair, take the lead. Chair. Take the lead, chair. Take the lead. We're not going alone, chair. It's me and you. Chair, man. Alright, leave it alone. Oh. There's beds. Is there anyone sleeping? Are these... I don't think these are beds. I think these are dead bodies. Ah! You didn't scare me. Yes, you did. I'm gonna listen to this tape now. Thank you. Okay. Alright.
is a trail of devastation such as the world has never known. Here and there, an isolated structure reminds the onlooker that here was once a city.
Great. Great. Okay, just making sure I'm recording. Just making sure. Oh, there's another tape. Yay. Ah! Oh, you can't. Is this what the radiation's doing to you? Huh? It allows you to levitate after death? That's pretty cool. Didn't know radiation could do that. Huh? That's pretty sick. Didn't know radiation could make you levitate after death. It's like you... Oh, turn around, turn around. You know when you poop? You know when you poop and pee yourself when you die? You know how that's a thing, right? You know when you poop and pee yourself? Oh my god. You know when you poop and pee yourself when you die? It's like that, but you start levitating. Alright, it's like that, but you start levitating. Maybe. I don't know. Oh, there's stairs! I hate these stairs. These stairs suck. Okay. Oh, I don't like this one. This one makes me...
1 minute to go. Slowly, the seconds tick away.
Music's kind of funky. Kind of like it. No, I don't. That's it? Okay. Oh my... I've got to say, I love how the room changes. That is so cool. Oh, there's a light. Oh, I can't get out that way. Oh, is this like the bunker entrance? Maybe? I don't know. Those lights just remind me of Fallout. Bunkers. And bonkers. I turned on the lever. That's a big lever. That's a big old lever. That's a big old lever. Okay, are we getting out of here? Are we leaving? What's happening? What's happening? No, we're not. We're going back around. No, we're turning back around again. We're going in circles. Okay, there's gotta be something here then. There's the tape. Give me the tape. That's a lot of dead people. That's a lot of dead people. Sorry, folks. Sorry, folks. If I walk over your dead body, I'm sorry about that. Oh. Oh. Oh, that's a lot.
Britain has pointed out that it would be unfair to ban them, while she alone of the three great powers had no H-bomb of her own.
Hydrogen bomb.
It will be easier to reach agreement on this controversial problem, now that America, Russia, and Britain stand on an equal footing.
Oh god. You guys are idiots. Don't use nuclear bombs or any bombs like that. All they do is cause bullshit to happen. They're terrible. Never use big old bombs like that. Terrible mistake. Terrible idea. Never do it. Never do it. Hey, all my dead homie folks. Thank you for playing. Oh, that's it? Oh, wow. Wow, dude. That was terrific. Ah. We didn't even get jump scared. We didn't even get scared once. I mean, yes, there was scary sounds, but there was no actual monster. I really enjoyed that. I really liked that. If you guys like this as well, go follow at Dan Tai Wong. Yeah, Dan Tai Wong on Instagram, I'm guessing. Maybe Twitter. I'm not too sure what that is, but go give him some love for making a terrific game. And if you guys enjoyed this video, just as much as I enjoyed playing this game with you guys, please make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and turn on post notifications. With all that said, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys whenever I do next. Make sure to comment something cool. I want to hear guys' thoughts on this game. Peace, peace.